Hey, what's up, Tron TRX crypto holders? How are you? Just watch these changes, my friends. So, what's going on in this time in a TRX, my friends? Keep watching this video for more details, and remember, my friends, remember to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more news and updates videos. My friends, in this video, first of all, I will show you the latest update of TRX, and after that, we are going to see the next move, the next target of TRX on the basis of technical analysis, on the basis of my personal research, my friends. So, let's start the video, my friends. But please make sure to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more news and updates videos, my friends. At this time, the latest price of the TRX in the market is 0.07 USD dollar is the currently latest price of the TRX. On the other side, my friends, you can see here that the price of the TRX in the BTC Bitcoin 0.00000178 is the BTC price of the TRX in this time in the market. And if you want more, the market cap, the 24 hours trading volume, available supply, total supply, everything is present on the front of your eyes, my friends. Let me show you, my friends, the price changes. You know what, my friends, the TRX price falls down from the yesterday. From the last 24 hours, the price of TRX start falls down, and still at this time the price of TRX is going down, my friends. You know what, my friends, when a lot of people see the falls of the TRX, so they decide to sell. They are disappointed from a TRX, and they understand that TRX have no idea to take a pump in the future, my friends, but they are wrong, my friends. My personal prediction about TRX is that they will take a huge pump in the last half this month. They will give us good amount of profit in the last half this month. So for this, you have to hold, my friends. You know what, my friends, that is why I recommend for everyone to please don't decide to sell at this time and hold TRX with the last half this month, my friends. And from the price chart, you can see here they start jumping from the previous last 3-4 days. They start pumping, so my prediction is going positive. What do you think about TRX future? Tell me in the comment box. What is your prediction about TRX? Tell me in the comment box, and please make sure to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more news and updates videos. Thanks for watching this video.